We are going to discuss Autocad shortcut keys. First, we are discussing draw tools. Line L, construction line XL, polyline PL, multiline ML, polygon POL, rectangle REC, arc A, circle C, revision cloud REVC, spline SPL, ellipse EL, ellipse arc, no shortcut key, insert block I, block B, point PO, hatch H. Gradient GD, region REG, table insert TB, mtext TRMT, 3D polyline 3P, donut DO, divide DIV, measure ME, boundary BO, single line text DT, hatch edit HE, block edit BE, text edit ED, polyline edit PE, spline edit SPE, close block editor BC. Next modify tool, erase E, copy CO, mirror MI, array AR, move M, rotate RO, align AL, scale SC, stretch S, blend curve, no shortcut key, trim TR, extend EX, bracket point, no shortcut key, break BR, join J, chamfer CHA, explode X, fillet F, match properties MA, lengthen LEN. Next dimensions, dimension style D, quick dimension QD, dimension linear DLI, dimension aligned DAL, dimension arc length DAR, dimension ordinate DOR, dimension radius DRA, dimension jogged DGO, dimension diameter DDI, dimension angular DAN, dimension baseline DBA, dimension continued DCO, multi-leader MLD, multi-leader edit MLE. Next, functional keys. 12 functional keys are there. First one is help F1, text window F2, object snap F3, 3D O snap F4, isoplane F5, dynamic UCS F6, grid F7, ortho F8, snap F9, polar tracking F10, object snap tracking F11, dynamic input F12. Next, infer constraints control plus shift plus I, quick property control plus shift plus P, undo control plus Z, redo control plus Y, cut control plus X, copy control plus C, copy with base point control plus shift plus C, paste control plus V, paste as block control plus shift plus V, selection cycling control plus W, select all control plus A, new drawing control plus N, open drawing control plus O, save drawing control plus S, save as control plus shift plus S, plot control plus P. Redraw R, region RE, named view V, zoom Z, pan P, external reference ER, hyperlink K, xref XC, image clip ICL, layer LA, color COL, line type LT, line type scale LTS, line weight LW, text style ST, table style TS, multi-leader style MLS, units UN, mirror text MIRR TEXT. Properties control plus 1, design center control plus 2, tool palette control plus 3, quick calculator control plus 8, command line control plus 9, clear screen control plus 0, spelling check SP, distance DI, area AA, list LI, drafting settings DS or SC, group G, options OP, purge PU, right block W, layout LO, attribute ATT, drawing recovery manager DRM. Export EXP, import IMP, rename REN, thickness TH, exit control plus Q, square alt plus 0178, cube alt plus 0179, diameter percentage C, plus or minus percentage P, degree percentage D. Next, AutoCAD 3D tools, extrude EXT, sweep SW, revolve REV, union UNI, subtract SU, intersect IN, slice SL, 3D move 3M, 3D rotate 3R, 3D align 3AL, 3D array 3A, 3D orbit 3DO, 3D polyline 3P, 3D scale 3S, 3D face 3F, camera CAM, nav cube CUBE, material browser MAT, render RR. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe.